Welcome to a new video. Today's tutorial will show you how to repair the heater control module on the Porsche 911 and Boxster using Minitools part SEPDISP51. For this repair you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a spudger, a pliers, a tweezers, the Minitools part. Position the heater control module as shown, unscrew the 3 screws on the module body and open the module. Use the spudger to undo the black plastic clips and remove the board. Unscrew all the screws on the display board. Remove the front plastic part. Loosen the clips using the pliers to release the metal part from the board. Remove the white plastic part and the conductive rubbers and position them so that they can be refitted the correct way around once the display has been replaced. Remove the damaged display and take note of the seals on the lower part because they indicate the correct direction in which the new LCD must be inserted. Remove the protective films from the new display. Position the display in the metal frame, taking care to insert the side with the seals in the correct direction. Refit the backlight foil, the white plastic part, and the conductive rubbers in their original position. Refit the board to the metal part and secure. Then refit to the plastic part and tighten the screws. Insert the module board into the guides in the rear body until you hear it click home. Position the front part and tighten the screws. Switch on the module. Perfetto! Problem solved! Go to the online store at minitools.com to find a wide range of parts and tools for doing these repairs. Thank you for choosing Minitools.